Hey there! Are you tired of juggling multiple email accounts and struggling to stay organized? Well, worry no more. I'm here to show you how Clariti can revolutionize the way you send and receive emails. With Clariti, you can say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple email accounts. It's simple, just sign into your Clariti account and integrate up to 4 email addresses. Yes, that's right, all your emails in one place. No more switching between different platforms or applications. Clariti streamlines your email management, making it easy to access and respond to all your emails without any confusion. Sending and receiving emails in Clariti is a breeze. Click on Compose Email on your home screen. Enter the email subject, and click on the plus icon to select the recipients. After composing the email, simply select the email account from which you want the mail to be sent. And off it goes. And when you receive an email, it's instantly delivered to your Clariti inbox, organized and ready for you to respond. You can easily search and filter your emails to find exactly what you need when you need it. So why waste time and energy trying to keep up with multiple email accounts? Simplify your life and boost your productivity with Clariti. Experience the future of email management today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check my other videos. Thanks for watching.